I will request Rohan Homkar, please come here. Only 2-3 minutes we have, so you can energize the crowd here.
Do I know need a mic? But yes, I want you all to be participative in a very fantastic manner today. I really congratulate you all, first of all. So let's clap for yourself, please, everyone. No, I think we need to do some different type of clapping, right? So I will give you some small instruction, right? That is, when I say 1, 2, and 3, after that, you do the clapping, okay? So kindly everyone stand up, please.
You can go to the podium.
So everyone ready? Sir, please.
Ready, we are ready.
You are also ready, please. Take your hands forward. 1, 2, 3 बोला ही नहीं मैंने. So people do what they see, not what you tell. Everyone correct?
Yes.
Please have your seat.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. So as am I audible? Perfect. So I was really inspired by all the presentations till now, and I will be more inspired after next presentations also. My name is Rohan Homkar. I teach electrical engineering at KJ Somya Polytechnic. I thank you, engineering sir, that उन्होंने मुझे बुलाया यहाँ पे. I invited as a guest. Thank you, sir. And when I was teaching to my students, I am very much passionate about it, and I talk about experiential learning. When we teach the students with the experiential learning perspective, the students get more engaged with that teaching content. Similarly, for the corporates and the companies, training environments can be also associated with the experiential learning, where we cannot have the theory or practical, but it a mixture of both of them. So I have made one PPT. If time permits, I would like to share that with you, and it is related with the how digital content is helpful for business sustainability. So I just want your permission or your interest to know more about it within next 2 to 3 minutes. Are you all interested?
Yeah. Please go. Every minute only. Huh?
Perfect, perfect.
Okay.
Sir, can we just open the Google Chrome? The first one. Yeah, this one. Just go to the full screen. Perfect. So today's topic is importance of digital content for business sustainability. Next, please. Why digital content? Why we should think of digital content related with the training and development of our people? Because as we are talking since the morning about the planet, people, and then profit. So people should be more engaged with your digital content. It can be related with your consumer experiences, also as the team which you are working with. So first thing, that is, it is a long lasting, because whenever the digital content is being created, it can be used for multiple times. Not always a trainer is required all the time here. The digital content can replace the things if it is made in that way. That is what we are going to see today. Second, it is engaging. The engagement gives you a more impact, because engagement is something which you can create with the help of digital content, and how to create that we are going to see. And third one, it should be impactful, because digital content related with whatever your achievements are, whatever the things you made. Maybe some people are having the learning style of reading the text, some are having the visuals, and some are only listening and they are get understood everything. So these three things, that's why you require a digital content for your business processes. Let's see, next is why we need to do this, because change is the only thing that is constant. If we try to impart the change, definitely we will be going to achieve our sustainability goals. Please. Now, what do you mean by this particular digital content and its relation with the business sustainability? Let's understand what's your score. First, how many years your brand will exist? If we imagine whatever our brand we are working for, or our individual brand, what is that age or what is that time frame that we are looking for the future, कि हमारा ब्रांड आगे कितने साल रहेगा, कितने साल हम उसको लोगों के मन में जिंदा रखेंगे. Second, how many people will recognize your work? How your business processes will be sustained in the future, because change is constant. Every time new innovation came, sir ने वैसे बताया, some HMI is there, some sensors will come and everything is going to replace the repeated work, boring work, something like that is going to happen. How you are going to adapt that change? Next. So where do you want your business, in stores or in stories? Now Nokia earlier was in stores, has a very good market share. Now it becomes a story. Where you want your brand to be in stores or in market or in stories. So let's see what we can do is we can adapt the change, we can empower our manpower, we can impact the audience, and we can create the legacy. And for all these things, we can go to the root of digital content creation. So what can replace you? Just think for a one moment and think. Whatever work you are doing, whatever problem you are solving, what are the things which can replace you? Okay, let's see. Next. Do you have any plan? Do you have any action plan to do that? So how we can create this content and it can helpful for your organizational growth and sustainability? So we need this 4 point to be given a little bit attention right now. Later on we can discuss on that in detail. One is content creation plan for your organizational growth as well as individual growth. As we already heard, followed, that company is always bigger than employee, or organization is always more powerful than individual. But yes, organization also has its value, individual also it has value. If they both work together in a synergy, the more long-lasting impact is being created. So organizational growth and individual growth. Similarly, how that content is going to create an impact. That's one is a social impact and another is a commercial impact. So these aspects you need to think when you are creating that plan. Next. So what do you mean by digital content and how it can be related to your organization? Sometimes it is not B2C, B2B, but it can be used, adapted in every process. Like Bhaveja sir said about the report writing. The text format report writing can also be converted into the digital content, which can be very much easily understood by the people, and they can try to engage with that content and create an impact. Next one, in that 4 categories, you can have product review, customer experience, user guide, and referability influence. This is something what the 4th point, referability influence, is something what the sir was talking about, asking the question, can we share this to your competitors or other ecosystem? Whether your digital content or whether your innovation or sustainable growth roadmap can be helpful for other people. Can it be influencing other people to adopt what you have done? And the last point, how to inspire your target audience. That is what a thought I wanted to give you. A thought for your target audience. If you are a maintenance manager, if you are head of that particular division, how you are going to inspire the people, those who are working with you, those who want to be, those who want work done from you, like your bosses or your upline, and your downline, both the things. How you want to inspire them to understand you either do the good work or we have done the good work. In both the ways, this approach can be helpful for you all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Rohan. I think it was really inspiring, and after so many technical session, it was a change. Was it not? Was not it a change? So let us now break for lunch.
Big change.
Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you for opportunity, and I really appreciate the overall technical, enhancement happened today, because everyone is expert in their own areas. They shared that with us today. and it is really an treat for us. So, is it Hindi okay with you all? Just is that?
मराठी पण चलतो.
Okay. So we'll have a small activity. How many of you like to be a part of the activity? Just raise your hand. Or you just want to listen the words and see the PPT? Games खेलना किसको पसंद है? थोड़ा सा गेम खेलेंगे? Yes or yes? Perfect. So after I leave the dais, I am not going to speak. I want your attention. Are you with me? So we are going to do one small activity. I want everyone's attention. Sir, can you just join this table or this table, please? The gentleman, yes, please. This table you can join, please. Sir, you please also join.
No, I will enjoy it.
Okay, perfect. So, attention is a new currency and we are going to see its impact. So, all of you kindly pay attention to me. Whatever I give you instructions, kindly follow them and be a part of the experience.
Thank you very much.
क्या सीखा आपने? What you have learned in this experience? सबसे पहले first, yeah, I'm giving a debrief. Yes. So first thing, you are not going to understand what this person is going to do. कुछ बोल भी नहीं रहे, ऐसे चुप जिप लगाया, कुछ तो बोल रहा है, 1 2 बोल रहा है क्या? पहले तो उसने ताली बजा के दिखाया था. Earlier you used to give the importance of what you do, what you see, and then now you need to sync with each others. When you are working in a team, that times your attention, that time your performance may be excellent, but the team may lose at that time if you not consider the importance of performance of your team. So once you acting as a team and giving proper attention to what we need to do, that time as a team you get a good results. That is how this activity can be helpful for you to conduct at your organization when you want to emphasize the importance of team building as well as having the attention. So we are also having some observation that some people are not paying that attention and may be causing the, what we can say, lack in the performance. Like the gentleman try to give attention, keep mobile rakho, keep a mobile aside and pay attention sometimes. So that time, this kind of team spirit is helping you to achieve good performance in your company. So with that said, I thank you all of you for your time and your active supports, active participation in the activity. I just want to know your feedback, how you like it, what is your takeaway from this activity?
Yeah, it's a team coordination.
Can you just brief about it?
Yeah, this activity actually synchronize the team. So the overall result will be good actually.
Your take, sir, from this team?
Yeah, actually, in day-to-day routine, what happens is we exactly forget these things. Generally, when we are attending some seminar or maybe some team building sessions, so we were going through this. But when it comes to the day-to-day routine in office and all, then we did not realize this. Yes, we cannot go ahead. And same is with the society also. Anybody, like we are also having a competitor and all, but we alone cannot go. We have to share. We have to face together the challenge and come up. So it's that's the message.
Perfect. Anything from here, sir? What is your experience and what you would like to share about this activity?
We found that the understanding level and response is different for a person. It is person specific. So when we are making a team, then we'll have to also deal with these challenges and think whatever we are instructing in that perspective. So that is what my
Perfect. So I can just conclude on this, that first thing is that when you as a leader giving an instruction to your team, that times that communication plays an important role for the performance of your team, right? That is the first point. Second point, I can debrief this activity. Along with that, if a team member is not participating, it's the responsibility of the team to make him participate in that particular activity, whether that activity is of utmost importance or very relatively lesser importance activity, but that team players play an important role. Then you can say, as you rightly mentioned, that everyone has their own capacity to understand. So that time your role as a leader plays that this work can be given to this team, or this allocation, or we can say delegation of the work can be a takeaway from this activity. So I hope this activity is
Yes.
an energizer.
Yes.
Want a very small activity, just 2 minutes activity. Anyone want to play a math game here? Just stand up. Maths game, a very simple maths game.
It's only 2 minutes.
Only 2 minutes, very simple.
Chintan, by 2 minutes only.
Yeah,
You want to play, sir?
sir.
Perfect. Please, sir, please come on the stage.
Sir, I have.
Yeah.
Better you get participate.
Okay. Okay. So we can do it in the sitting also. So the rules are very simple. Just everyone just go with this. The person, I need 2 volunteers by the way. Anyone, just please.
I am.
Okay, sir is there. So sir and me playing this game. Any one of us can decide and start the game. Okay. We can start with either 0 or 1. The next person can add 1 or 2 to the previous answer, and the goal is to reach at the number 20. Okay, sir, आप start करेंगे.
इसका पूरा नाटक किया था।
हाँ?
2.5 का कोड मैंने मालूम पड़ता है हमको। या
0,
2,
4,
5,
7,
9,
11,
13,
15,
17,
19.
20. Anyone try? Anyone want to try? Have you get an idea what happened? Sir, आप किसी और के साथ खेलेंगे?
नहीं,
Anyone?
सर खेलने के लिए हम बाबा जाफर को ले लो, he is a very good player.
Okay, sir.
हाँ सर।
Sir, please.
ये जबरदस्ती गले में घंटी बांध रहा है। क्या मैं सो रहा था क्या जो आप मुझे जगा दिया?
अब जगह से मराठी में कहावत है ना, झोपी गेलेला जगा झाला.
Okay. So, would you like to start, sir? Or
One.
should I start?
1,
2?
0,
No, not come back. Right.
Come back.
Everyone pay attention. This is both activities are for attention only.
5,
7,
8,
9,
11,
13,
14,
15,
17,
18.
20.
Got the result of attention? For earlier communication, what we did with the sir was paying attention, and now he understood what are the points, what are the numbers are required to be winner. And if you are knowing the milestone which you want to achieve, then you can get those milestones one by one. Sometimes it is maybe because of the luck or sometime, but if you know the exact milestones which are coming in your pathway, you are having better chances to achieve the success. With this, thank you, sir.
Thank you very
for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving the opportunity.
Thank you very much.